Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down the street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I miss you, Saigon. Saigon streets filled with narrow homes, love balconies, love the energy. Walking down a street in Saigon. Every corner has a story, every street leads the way to something for someone. Walking down a street in Saigon. By the time you view this, I'll be gone, but I miss you, Saigon. Take a stroll in Saigon, it's what you need. Clear your mind, Saigon streets.
Okay, so we're going to try to capture some of this street in here. There's some pretty cool looking alleys all the way down that way, which we're not going to focus on. Looks like they got like nail shops. There's a market to the left right there. There's kind of a cool looking shot here. Cat did not. I'll try to get that from a different angle because it looks better over there. But anyways, we're going to go down this Target Street, and this one behind us is the one that we're not going to see because I won't go this direction, but you can see it right now. There's some kind of cool stuff that I'm seeing too. Like if you check out some of the buildings, you can see like how narrow they are. Like that Ruby Hotel, that Liberty Central, just like some nice windows and such like that. Anyways, we are going to do a night video, show you a little bit of Saigon at night. Okay, so we're going to give you a small slice of this. Actually, it's a 2-kilometer street, and we're kind of near Muy Bien, which is like the #1 nightlife street. And so this will be a spillover of that too. If you walk all the way down 2 kilometers, you go into Japantown, and that is kind of well known for izakayas, bars, a little bit red light district as well. But we're not quite all the way down that way. We're kind of more closer to this like backpacker area, which is where all the young foreigners go, and they kind of goes all night. So we're right in that little periphery part. So you've seen the map behind me already, and your next, I'm gonna put some lyrics up because I created the song, and then so that's what you're hearing before, is something I created with AI. I wrote the lyrics and then I fed it into the program. And now we're gonna do the walk and talk, where I'll walk through and narrate. So this is another slice of Saigon for you. So okay, so we got this little alley, which we're going to take a look at real quick. There's a vintage store and other kind of cool stuff in here, including some nice artwork as well. But we're actually going to go down this main street here. So we're going to follow this sidewalk, these restaurants, and try to meander through. So one of the things you're going to see is lots of places to eat outside, including right here. They even have their dishes right there as well. And we're going to walk down the street maybe about 8-9 minutes, something like that. And I'll show you the different shops, tell you where we're at. We're in District 1, but we're kind of in an area where there's a marketplace right there to the left. So they're selling clothing. And then to the right, I'm probably going to highlight those shops a little bit, and then we're going to get shops on both sides. One of the things you'll see right away is people selling things on the street, and you're going to see a lot of hotels and spas as well. So you'll probably come across those. There's some spas right there. And then you got lots of tour shops, air tickets, tours. Oh, I forgot, there's some kind of cool architecture coming up, but that's our market. And then I was going to show that one on the corner, which I didn't really get to show. It doesn't look so good from this angle. But we're gonna meander more. There's our cross streets right there. So that kind of gives you an idea where we are. And then you can also see some of the really cool architecture like this one. And all the way down. But we're gonna keep on strolling this way, giving you an idea what the streets of Saigon look like at nighttime as well. A lot of people will park their bikes up on the sidewalk, but they still leave a path, so you can still walk down the sidewalk as well. But it looks strange in another era if motorcycles and motorbikes became more obsolete or something different happened. Suddenly you'd have these big wide sidewalks everywhere. But then you could have restaurants. So I think one way or the other they're going to be utilized. Lots of hotels everywhere throughout here. There's a pizza place. I don't really see that many pizza places. I think most of the restaurants I see are Vietnamese, of course. Cuisine is quite famous. And maybe number 2 would be Japanese cuisine. Maybe Korean as well. But they'll have a little bit of everything. So I've seen 4 or 5 Mexican restaurants already. Got a convenience store right there. And now we're gonna just get into some more hotels, pho, cafes, jewelry. Okay. So even though it's at nighttime, there's enough neon lights to film pretty easily in this area. Yeah, that restaurant looks good. Vietnamese cuisine. Let's see what they got there. That looks pretty good. Actually, all of it looks good. I like the spring rolls as well. But we're gonna just keep on going down. Taste of Hanoi. Hello, how are you? Yeah, actually the massage ones will kind of hide away a little bit. The menu. Okay, just gonna keep on walking down. There's actually things in these alleys as well. So a lot of the alleys have restaurants. So that one has a Bao dining lounge. Then you also got some stores. Oops. So we meander through. Sewing machines, shampoos. Okay. So we're about 6 minutes in. Let's see if I can get across here. Looks like I got 9 seconds to get across, so let me try it. Oh man. Whew, dang. Okay. So there's our street. I'm gonna keep on walking down. So kind of interesting. Lots of people everywhere. So we're gonna go down maybe about another to the end of this block anyways. There's some restaurants down here as well. Some hotels, the Lux. Hello. Okay. Lots of spas everywhere, restaurants outside, which is great. And then on this corner, we're gonna have a lot of restaurants, which is kind of the reason I came on this side. So we keep on strolling down. So it's kind of cool that you can sit outside and grab something to eat or drink. There's the military. So, okay, so we're going to keep on going down. I'm going to be ending our video in a moment. And we got a gas station and then Juice King. Let's just see if we can go across here. And then we'll just end our video. So that was our street right there.